Hey, everybody, Mr. Odom here, and I am going to look at a problem from section. This is 9.4, and this is problem number 20. Usually I type this in here, but I forgot, so I'm writing it in. There you go. All right, so this problem says, as a gift, you're going to fill this calendar with packets of chocolate candy. Each packet of candy, so I've got this packet of candy. Let me see if I can find something that looks like chocolate, and I don't think I have anything that, so let me try this color. So you have this piece of candy, let's say it looks like this maybe, maybe some sort of cube, color that in a little bit, all right? And this piece of candy, so this is the candy, the chocolate candy, and this candy has a volume of 2 cubic inches. All right. And you want to figure out how many of these can go inside of here. All right. So, really, what we need to do is we have to find the volume of the calendar of this package. All right. Um, so that way we can figure out how many pieces of candy we can put in there. So for my volume, this is a triangular prism. I'll write that down, triangular prism, which means that the bases are triangles. So for my formula, if I want to calculate what capital B is, I have to find the area of one of these bases. So let me find the area of this base right here. Let me color this in a little bit. That didn't even work. Look at that. That was horrible. Let's try it again. Let's try this color. Let's see if this one works. Maybe. Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Yeah, that doesn't work either. Maybe green. Let's try this color. Spending all this time coloring in. You get it. I'm trying to find that. It doesn't work either. But that's okay. I can draw it. So we need to find the area of this triangle. And the height of this triangle is 6 inches, and the base of this triangle is 4 inches. So the area is base times height divided by 2, because it's a triangle, and so that is 4 times 6 divided by 2. And so that equals, I can cancel, 4 times 3 is 12 inches squared. Okay, so that is the area of the base. And remember, for a triangular prism, the height is the distance between the bases. So here's one base here, the other base is here, and so the distance between these two bases is 8 inches. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and multiply those together. 12 times 8 is 96 inches cubed. All right, so that's how much space is inside of my calendar package that I'm going to stuff chocolate candy in and give to Mr. Odom when I see him, because he loves chocolate. All right. So now we need to figure out, well, how many pieces of candy can we put in there? Well, if I have this much space and I know the volume of a piece of candy, wouldn't it kind of make sense that to figure out how many pieces of candy, I should take the volume or the amount of space that I have and divide it by the volume of one of these pieces of candy. So I do that and I end up with 48. All right. And what does this mean? That means that I can put 48 pieces of chocolate into the calendar container. Okay, so pretty straightforward problem. You just had to find the volume of the container, which we did, and then find or recognize that, hey, the problem tells you for each piece of candy, it has a volume. So then we do this work right here and we get our answer. So um, that's all I have for that problem. Hopefully that was helpful, and I'm out. Have a good day.